Hey, what's up? Jay Nabinet here. Today I want to teach you a quick tip on tips you can use with a grinder. I picked this one up at Harbor Freight. It was only like between $4 and $6. Very reasonably priced. However, this bad boy does the trick when doing jobs like this guy right here. See how dirty and nasty that thing is? We're gonna take that off and make it look all good again. All right, just got this all good and cleaned up. Let's check out how it looks. Yeah, big difference, right? And that's just the tip today.